EnzoGiaTV.
Do you want to touch it? Don't squish it.
It's dead.
Did it move?
No. Dead. See. Come here. What is it? Cicada.
How about the net? Don't squish it. You know what? If you push it in the pool, then you can scoop it. Unless you can get it onto the net there.
I can't get on the net.
What are we gonna do?
Oh wait, I know.
Pick it up by the wings.
How about this? How about I do this and you do that, okay?
Just slide it. Slide the. You pick it up. Put it on the net. Wow, good job. Hey, all right.
No.
Let's show the camera. Let's show the camera.
There is a dead.
Just hold it still. That is a cicada. That's what makes that chatter noise.
Like
Touch it here. Roll it a little more. You want to throw it in the canal? Maybe the ducks will eat it.
No, I want to see the. I want to see his. Ah!
Oh, Enzo.
Whoa! It just looks like a flying bug.
It is a flying bug. All right, we'll pick it up again. Grab it by the wing.
It's your turn to pick it up, Gia.
Grab it by the wings.
Pick it up by the wings.
Yeah, you just pick it up. You put it right on. No. Pick it up and put it right on the net. Good job. All right, let's give it to the ducks. Maybe they'll eat it.
I will see it jump. Whoa, bye, Cicada.
Okay, we're gonna flick it. Ready? 1, 2. There he goes.
It's floating.
It's floating.
Let's go
Is the
see.
fish gonna get it?
Maybe they're gonna bring it down. See that?
Where is it?
Right there.
I see. I can't see it with the camera. There. Oh, the bird got it. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Oh, the bird came down and swooped and got him.
Oh, let me see. I want to see that.
And that is another episode of
EnzoGiaTV.
Say bye, kids.
Bye. Bye, kids. I love you.
If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and click the like button so you'll never miss it. Thanks for watching.